Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's fine. This is June monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Taurus, what are the messages for you? Communication. Wow. Taurus. So, Five of Cups with Knight of Wands. I think you are in separation with your person, Taurus. You are feeling very, very sad because there are some illusions, some fighting, some arguments had happened between you and your person. But this person is very, very attracted to you. Still, they wanting you back. Yes. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life because knights always come and go. They will not offer commitment. But you are very, I think you are very sad. So let's see your reading recent past, 8 of Swords, 8 of Cups and 6 of Wands. Yeah, separation. You decided to move on. For some you already did. Because you are feeling stuck when you are in this relationship. I think maybe for some they treated you as an option. They are in and out of your life. They are not available to you when you need them emotionally. Commitment issues. So 6 of Wands. So that's why you may be concentrating on your career. You are getting success for your hard work. 6 of Wands. Maybe for some, one person in this connection could be popular. Then present Knight of Swords, 8 of Cups, 8 of Wands and Page of Cups. Everything is about communication. Lots of communication is coming. Someone is rushing to talk to you, Taurus, because Knight of Swords, 8 of Cups and Page of Cups with apology. Someone want to say apology to you. For some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, if you are in separation, definitely your post person is coming back with an apology, and there is lots of communication is coming back and forthly. For some, maybe a new person is also entering in your life. Future, the Lovers, Queen of Cups and Four of Swords. So you are healing from this pain, Five of Cups. You are doing meditation to heal yourself completely, but you still have strong emotions towards this person. You still love them because you are very caring and sharing person. Yeah, there is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini especially. So yeah, there is love. The Lovers card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you, Taurus. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Taurus, their current feelings. Lot of cards. Cards are jumping. Wow. It's a mutual love. Taurus. Wow. They are thinking about you a lot. Definitely both have strong soulmate connection. Maybe right now they're feeling stuck, they're juggling, but they are thinking about you a lot, Taurus. They won't give up on you because Seven of Wands. They will take action, but right now they're feeling stuck. I think they are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. This is a soulmate connection and this is a mutual love between both of you. So let's see their intentions. Seven of Swords with Three of Swords. Maybe for some there are some trust issues between both of you. In past they hurt you. They said lies to you. Maybe something sneaky in this connection. Now they're realizing your worth. Maybe they're realizing your love. Now they're missing you so much. They're heartbroken without you, Taurus. So they are fantasizing about you a lot. And Queen of Wands, yes, they want to take action very soon because they are missing you badly, Taurus. And this is a soulmate connection. Now they are realizing that you are their soulmate. Yes, because Nine of Swords with Eight of Swords. Right now they're feeling stuck. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. Especially when your person is alone, they're getting a lot of thoughts. For some, your person is very dominative in this connection. They're very aggressive. But very soon they will take action. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Pisces. Yeah. There are some disturbances between you and your person, but now your person thinking about equal give and take. Maybe in past they treated you as an option, but now they want new beginnings with you, passionate new beginnings, and they're ready to offer equal give and take. Yes, they are waiting positive growth in this relationship. For some, you both live in different cities, different countries, or different state. You both are in long distance relationship. Communication. Maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection, age differences. And one person is very good looking in this connection. Yeah, they are coming back to fix the things between both of you. For some, maybe you decided to move on from this person, but there is lots of communication is coming and your wishes are going to be granted, Taurus. Nine of Cups with King of Pentacles, especially in money, you are getting financial stability, you are creating more money, and Wheel of Fortune, things will turn out into your favor. Wow. Taurus, this is very, very positive reading for you. So let's see mutual energies. Hangman with Strength, Ace of Wands, lot of passion between both of you. So yeah, right now they are stuck on you. You both are stuck. Maybe you both are thinking about each other a lot. But this connection has potential. The Strength card is here. For some, you both are working on yourself to getting your strength back. So definitely passion and patience is the key. Temperance is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So this connection has potential. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. Mask. Friendship. Finances and career. Don't leave me behind. Holding back. True love. So the messages are mask, friendship, finances and career, holding back, don't leave me behind, and true love. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Yeah, for some maybe there are some trust issues between both of you. For some they are putting you in friendship zone. For some you both are very, very good friends. For some your person you may be right now concentrating on their finances and career. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. Bring love into the situation, new moon in Aquarius. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. So yeah, definitely there is a lot of abundance is coming. Money, especially new moon in Taurus, it's your reading and it's your card. And under message, bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.